Hello, remote workers. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I have this remote work from anywhere from Keyword Studio. So go to your Google browse, type keywordstudio.com, and then you will go to careers. Right here, you will go to careers, and then you will browse careers. Of course, you will filter. Tap here worldwide, or you can type remote, or let's type worldwide. All right, so if you type worldwide, there will be jobs, different jobs. Right here, there is different jobs, but guys, today I have managed to get one of these jobs. You can manage one job here. You can continue. There is more than three. There is about 3 pages right here where you can find jobs. So if you go down, you will see this job. Let's say this is community manager. You can be community manager of video games. Okay, you can work from anywhere around the globe, and it's 100% remote. All right, so if you can see, they say, please note that the application are open to the candidate worldwide. It is not only limited to just UK resident. Okay, so and feel more than free to apply regardless of application as 100% remote work from home laws. Currently we are accepting applicants for multiple positions in field of community manager and social media management. So some of the responsibility and requirement are listed may not be applicable to all laws. Keywords community management is global team, more than 100 community professionals providing expert communities and social media services to gaming and entertainment clients. So they say that their team is growing and they are always on the lookout for talented professionals who share their values and are passionate about video games industry. So this is all about the responsibility. There is responsibility reviewing all incoming community interaction on different social media platforms and community differently with prayers, responding to comment and prayer inquiries in timely manner, creating engaging content for social media, building in-depth report on community growth and engagement. Alright, so assisting the developer by collaborating and reporting on player field. There is different benefit here. You can see it's 100% remote. You are flexible to work at any time. Also, for example, in terms of flexibility, they said you can reply messages. You can come and reply messages at any time. Maybe you have your other jobs, but guys, you can set your own schedule and work at your own schedule. Okay, so it's nice work life balance. Their company culture is fine, friendly, diverse, and inclusive, and also they welcome people all over the world. So they have all these benefits. Again, this job you can find on keywordstudio.com. Keywordstudio.com, there is requirement of 2 years of experience, community manager, social media in gaming, or professional basic. So excellent writing and verbal communication skills is in English. Bilingual is a plus if you can participate in Japanese, French, Spanish, Germany is a plus. Okay, passionate about video games on social media, strong understanding on social media community management platform, expertise with social listening and social management based practice, also practice in managing and moderating a thrice gaming community, higher education in marketing, business administration, and community adult education or related field. So please make sure that your contact information, including your professional email address, the language you speak is you have to tell them that you speak English, of course, and also if you have another language you might know, please feel free to left in your resume. So include either your CV or your cover letter. Okay, those are important information they are looking for. Alright, so guys, to apply, of course, you can just Continue to type more information, your personal information. Yes, upload a photo, education. You can just type your application, or you can skip this stage and upload your CV. All right. So resume, you can upload your resume here, and cover letter is option. But guys, if there is opportunity to upload cover letter, just to give you opportunity to sell yourself, express the willing that you want to work in this company. So feel free to upload on this page of these things, and also continue with the application. Guys, good luck in your application. Remember, you can work worldwide on this position: community manager, social media manager. Good luck, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.